Hi guys, welcome back to Automation, and this is just a quick video where I came across a website where there are like 51 animations that beginners can do, and I thought, you know what, these exercises are quite useful for beginners, so I wanted to share them with you. So if we dive in straight, it's this guy from Animation Island, and he has a YouTube channel as well, which I will put a link below. I'll put a link to this website below as well, but let's go through this. There's some really good exercises here, like of course level 1, like nice website here as well. He's got some t-shirts and nice little mugs you can buy, which I thought are really cool. These timing ones, really nice. But looking at these, for example, if we look down level 1 exercises, so he's broken them up into levels. So he talks about bouncing ball, simple head turn. With the simple head turn, you could have character turn with anticipation, character blinking, character thinking, you know, tougher than it sounds, as it says. Flower sack jump, so the classic ones with the flower sack. What else we got? Level 2 ones are characters jumping over a gap. So as you go to level 3, 4, obviously it gets a bit more challenging, and it's just a really good way to stay in, you know, you stay in your software, stay in Maya, stay in animation, and you're just setting these little micro targets every day or every week if you want, once a week, and you're creating these little habits. So you're always like doing animation, which I thought is quite powerful, doing these tiny habits every day, and you're getting more used to your tools you're using as well. And I just thought these exercises are really cool. I really thought, like, you know, it's 4 levels overall. There's 51 exercises. Close up of a hand, picking up a small object and what have you. And what I'll do is I'll start doing some of these as well. Maybe like every week I'll do one, put it up, and you know, and we can work together at it. So that's something I just wanted to share with you, really. A really brief video. I came across this website. I thought it was really cool. I thought anyone who's beginning in animation, it'll be good to just do these one by one, and it'll build your confidence a bit as well. So yeah, just wanted to share that. I hope you found out some use. I will be back next week, another video. We'll work on the run that we're doing with depth. We'll polish it a bit more, and we'll add a bit of squash and stretch to that. But in the meantime, I hope you found this useful. If you did, please share, like, and happy animating, and have fun animating.